Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Hello friends, welcome back to Fauzi Ki Alfaz. In this video, we will discuss 28th and 29th April most important one-liner current affair. So without wasting any time, let's begin. The Asian Development Bank has projected India's gross domestic product growth to rebound strongly to 11% in currently fiscal on the back of continued economic recovery, boosted in increased public investment, vaccine rollout and surge in domestic demand. Asian Development Bank President Matsugu Asakawa, formation 19 December 1966, headquarter Manila, Philippines. Senior IIS officer Manikant Thakur passed away following COVID-19 infection. He was admitted in Safadarjung Hospital, Delhi. Mr. Thakur was serving as Chief of Medical, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in the illustrious career of 30 years in IIS. He served in different departments of Ministry of I&B, including Bureau of Outreach and Communication, News Services Division of Air and DD News. Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Act 2021 came into force from April 27. The act given primacy to the Lieutenant Governor over the elected government in the city. Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Anil Baijal. Kantharaj N, a Bangalore-based watercolor artist, is all set to auction My Life work, the first physically linked non-fungible tokens, which is assembly of his 12 original award-winning painting. Famous Islamic scholar and Gandhian writer Maulana Wahiduddin Khan died at the age of 96 on Wednesday. Wahiduddin Khan, popularly known as Maulana, was announced by the central government in January this year to be confirmed the Padam Vibhushan, the country's second highest civilian award. In 2000, Maulana, who was awarded for translating the Quran into contemporary English, was earlier awarded the Padam Bhushan, the country's third civilian award. Indian origin Vanita Gupta, who served in the Justice Department during the Obama administration, has been appointed Associate Attorney General in America. Vanita is also getting the honor of being the first Indian origin citizen to be appointed to the post. Anita Gupta has become the first black person to hold the third largest post in the Ministry of Justice. India's Defence Research and Development Organization has decided to set up 500 medical oxygen plants within 3 months under the PM CARES Fund. Ministry of Defence, Headquarters New Delhi, founded 15th August 1947. Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat. Chief of the Army Staff, General Manoj Mukund Narwane. Chief of the Navy Staff, Admiral Karambir Singh. Chief of the Air Force Staff, Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria. The Indo-Tibetan Border Police has established a water sports and adventure institute near Tehri Dam Reservoir in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand CM Tirth Singh Rawat, Governor Baby Rani Maurya. The government has waived import duties on beta-cyclodextrin used in the manufacture of remdesivir as well as remdesivir injection. The Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy had provided a financial assistance of 65,000 crore to the farmers under various schemes. Andhra Pradesh CM Jagan Mohan Reddy, Governor Bishop Bhushan Harichandan. The centre has decided to grant full exemptions from basic customs duty and health on import of medical oxygen and other medical equipment. The government also decided to exempt COVID vaccine from basic import duty for the next 3 months from May 21. Arish Fatima, a 4-year-old prodigy from Karachi, made history by becoming the youngest Microsoft certified professional. Arish Fatima scored 831 marks in the Microsoft Certificate Professional exam, where the minimum score required to pass the MCP exam is 700. The Uttar Pradesh government has set up an oxygen monitoring system in Lucknow. Amid the rising scarcity of oxygen, the Uttar Pradesh government said that it would get oxygen consumption, sale and purchase audited in collaboration with the state 3 premier institute IIT Kanpur, IIM Lucknow and IIT BHU. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. India's light combat aircraft Tejas has added the 5th generation Python 5 air-to-air missile to its air-to-air weapon capability. Trials were also aimed to validate enhanced capability of already integrated by Beyond Visual Range AM on Tejas. Defence Research and Development Organization, founded 1958, headquarters New Delhi. Chairman G. Satish Reddy. So this is all about today's video. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care and Jai Hind. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update.